It's Ken, your favorite bougie bae, and in today's video, as you can tell by the title, today we are diving deep into the YouLuck lashes. They sent me not one but two styles to test out for you all, and as always, I'll be giving you my 100% honest review. If you are ready to level up your lash game, keep on watching this video. If you're interested in more beauty tutorials and routines, go ahead and click this video up right here. Lashes can truly make or break your look. I know the struggle of truly finding ones that deliver. First up, let's get into this packaging. YouLuck lashes have a sleek and elegant design, giving luxury vibes. And y'all know how I feel about that, okay? The two styles are Elegant Sweet and Demon Wing. And just from the look of them, I can tell I'm gonna be obsessed with them. One is more natural and subtle, which is a Demon Wing, while the other one brings bold and dramatic. The lash bands are super lightweight, and guess what else? They are clear. You can't find clear ones like that on TikTok Shop or Amazon, which is really ideal for comfort. The fibers are super soft and mimic real hair beautifully. But the true test, how they perform once they're on. I'm starting off with Demon Wing, the more natural option. It does come with everything that you need to put on your lashes. It comes with the lash glue, tweezers, and different lengths in here. Whether you're a really short girly, which you want to wear 10 up to 18. We do have one side on. Loving it already. Let me know what y'all think about the Demon Wing. The spike on this is just so irresistible. For those of y'all that like bold and dramatic looks, this one right here, Elegant Sweet, is gonna be your go-to. When they offered to send me one, I was just like, listen, we gotta go in with two. I know my girls wanna see two different styles on me. This particular style, take a close look at it and let me know, rate it in the comment section down below. This one right here is really cute. Y'all might like this one a little bit more. Now this one in particular, if you're doing bold glam looks, you going out on date night with your boo thing, girls night, this will be the one that you got to put on. Hey loves, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. V-Day is just around the corner, and you know you got to be that girl. Right now you can grab their lashes for just $17.91 with my code Kendrak at checkout. These lashes aren't just pretty, they're durable, lasting 7 to 15 wears with proper care. And let me tell you, the glue is so gentle. I have super sensitive eyes and it doesn't irritate at all, which is such a win. These lashes were gifted to me in exchange for my honest review, and shopping with my affiliate link helps support my channel. I wore these lashes last night. I did go ahead and watch the movie and it was great. Now for the bold lash, I'm actually going to show y'all how to take off these lashes, which is the Demon Wing. So y'all can just go in the kit and go ahead and take her out. Right off the bat, you can tell this one is designed for drama. The volume is unreal. Go ahead and let's see how this lash remover actually removes the lashes. Okay. It came off really easy. I like that. Slides right out as soon as you put the lash remover on there. Hopefully my liner doesn't come off. Alright, I'm actually gonna save these because I'm gonna put these babies back on. Those are my everyday go-to. Y'all know how I feel about the spike, but I'm gonna show y'all the Elegant Sweet. Let's put these babies on, and I'm actually gonna put on 12 as well. So here's my honest take. If you're looking for lashes that combine luxury with everyday wearability, Elegant Sweet is your go-to. It's versatile and so easy to work with. For those moments that you want to just still to shine, the bold style brings the perfect amount of drama. The best part, both styles give you that fluttery, eye-catching effect without feeling heavy or uncomfortable. They're reusable, which is always a win. Now the trick to put on your lashes is angle your head a little bit down to the point where you're looking in the mirror and you can see your lash line. Just don't put it directly on the lash line because it can be a little bit irritating. If I had to compare it to a curl, D curl. I think it's real curly. Now it's your turn. Are you team Elegant Sweet or team Demon Wing? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more beauty reviews and tutorials, make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you